Hey, what's up? If you're interested in electric bikes, then you probably know about FIIDO brand. The Chinese company produces not only electric bikes, but also electric scooters. One of the most popular electric bikes of the Chinese brand is FIIDO D11. It has folding design, 50 km of mileage and 25 km per hour maximum speed. However, in this video, I want to tell you about the latest electric bike called FIIDO D11. Actually, the bike hasn't been released yet, but we have some information about it. Before we start talking about its main features, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The new FIIDO D11 is one of the most beautiful electric bikes. You know, I like the design of HIMO electric bikes. Also, OneBot S6 looks very nice. However, FIIDO D11 looks even better for me. I like its minimalist design and color combination. The seat and handlebar are always black, but you can choose the color of the frame – red, white, blue, gray and black. The new electric bike is folding, while the battery is removable. We will talk about battery a little later. As usual, FIIDO D11 has front and rear lights. I cannot see from the images, but most likely the bike will have the display on the handlebar. The electric bike has 20-inch wheels. The thickness of them is 1.75 inches. The weight of the bike is 18 kilograms. Talking about main specifications, FIIDO D11 has 36 volts 10 ampere-hour battery. We don't know the range or the mileage yet, but let's think about it. The previous electric bike, FIIDO D2S, has 7.8 ampere-hour battery and the mileage is 50 kilometers. The new electric bike has a bigger battery, 10 ampere-hour, so I expect about 70 kilometers on a single charge. The motor power and maximum speed will be the same, 250 watts and 25 kilometers per hour respectively. However, that's unconfirmed information. In the comments below, I will write the official specifications when electric bike will be released. That's all we know about the new FIIDO D11. The manufacturer promises to release the new electric bike very soon, but we don't know the exact release date. As for the price, we also don't know it yet, but I think the price will be under $600. Do you like the new electric bike FIIDO D11? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.